is how it works. This spins, and then when you need to stop it, you just pull this thing.
Can we do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do one. So if you're wondering where this thing came from, my dad made it out of an old washing machine motor, a cord off an old vacuum, some scrap plywood, and some miscellaneous hardware odds and ends. The spinning platter has little finished nails bent up around the corners to keep the paper from flying off.
Whoa, look at
Shine me. Do I fluoresce?
Yes.
Oh.
Look at me.
Yeah. Here, hit me.
I
Shine me. Shine my face.
Your teeth. Ew.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Let's see. Whoa.
Let me try.
You try it. All right, should we go back to spin art?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've done enough of this spin art stuff now that I know the right way. You need to retain their attention, and the way you do that is each new picture you get a new color. In this video I also added a new implement of construction every time we added a new color. So by the end here you can see there's quite a bit laying out. Keeps it fun that way and keeps their attention grabbed. right, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, just search for my name, James.
No, it's Armed and Dangerous DIY.
And then James.
Yeah, yeah.